Muthenya mwe thutha wa Kenya kuhota bururi wa Djibouti githurano-ini gia kuiyukia giturwa kanju-ini ugitiri ya urumwe wa mabururi UN. Gukunguiri wa uhotani uyu ni uthire na mbere guothe bururi-ini umuthi guku atongoria a ngathĩ itiganĩte manyitanĩire na a Kenya gukenerera uhotani uyu. Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi ni iraneire kuhuthira giturwa giki gutetera mabataro ma gitaru kia Afrika kuri thĩ yothe. Undu umwe na gutigirira thayu no wathingatithia mabururi-ini maria makoretwo magumiirwo ni nguui kwa ihinda.
As those who speak for Africa, it will be imperative that we bring African issues to the table. It is essential in this international order that is transforming, that Africans are at the table, that our ideas, our decision-making, our thought processes, our vision and our aspirations are laid on the table for all to see, for all to hear, for all to engage with. That is why we were endorsed by the AU to speak for Africa without hesitation, without trepidation, without fear.
Hari ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro Minister Rachael Omamo ni atugiritie aruna ake hau kabere Amina Mohamed na Monica Juma thutha wa kunyita itemi nene hari kuhurira ndebe bururi wa Kenya kuri thĩ yothe niguo kuiyukia uhotani uyu no ria gwetete ta wa gitio kinene kuri bururi wa Kenya.
In fact, it was Ambassador Monica Juma who constructed this campaign, set it off on its wheels and navigated it until very recently. We thank her most sincerely for her contribution.
Uhotani uyu utigite bururi wa Kenya na kibarua kinene gia gutetera na kurugamirira mabataro ma gitaru kia Afrika thiini wa thi. Undu umwe na gutigirira thayu no wathingatithio mabururi-ini ta ma Somalia na mangi makoretwo magumiirwo ni mbara na ngũĩ cia mĩthemba ngũrani. Kibarua giki thirikari ikiranira ni harĩirie kuhingia.
These priorities include our challenges in Darfur, in Somalia, in the Central African Republic, in the Great Lakes, in the Sahel, in parts of North Africa, places such as Libya, and other regions of our continent that require special attention.
Kenya iraiyukirie uhotani na kura 129 mbere ya Djibouti iria irari na kura 62 githurano-ini gia gucokerwo thutha wa mabururi mothe kwaga kuhingia namba iria ciagiriire githurano-ini kia mbere.
The mere fact that countries compete does not mean that diplomatic relations go asunder. It does not mean that they fall apart. Our competition with Djibouti was a healthy one. We conducted it with dignity. We conducted it based on the rules-based system that we believe in. We conducted it in the spirit of African unity.
Kanju-ini ikoragwo yubitwo ni mabururi 15 thiini wa thĩ kuria mabururi 5 makoragwo amemba gutura na makoragwo na hinya wa kuhitukia kana kugũithia itua riothe riakinyanirio ni mabururi maria mangi. Hindi ithurano ici mabururi ma India, Ireland, Mexico na Norway marathurirwo hamwe na Kenya kuingira kanju-ini ino na mekuoya ithenya ria mabururi ma Belgium, Dominican Republic, Germany, Indonesia na South Africa. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.